it's Bobby here, and I'm very excited to be bringing you another video today. This video is going to be one that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just had to get the supplies and whatnot, but I've always been right into at-home facials and face masks and all that kind of stuff, and beauty and body butters. So I decided to come up with my DIY Galaxy body butter. So it has been a while since I've done a DIY. I think it's been about 2 years. So I'm very excited to be putting this out. Of course, it's still got to be shaken down a little bit, but can you see those colors? Beautiful. So this is just in a jar that I found at the little second-hand shop. I've got the little Galaxy on top. So don't go anywhere, stick around and you can find out how you can make yourself some too. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a double boiler. So I've just put some water in here and we're going to stick this pot on top. So we're not actually going to be putting it all in, actually just in one pot. We're going to do a double boiler. Of course, you all should know what a double boiler is if you watch a lot of chocolate and dessert videos. Same thing applies when we're making this body butter. So I'm going to let it get some boiling action, some steam happening, and then I'll be back. Okay, so some of the things that you're going to need is your shea butter. I got the liquid form. You can get the block one. I'm going to use some coconut oil and some cocoa butter. These are the pellets. Of course, you're going to need these like mica powders, pigments. I picked these up off of eBay, and I will leave all those links below in the description so you can check them out. But this is what we're going to use for a basic body butter. I know a lot of people put in almond oil or vitamin E, the jojoba, is it jojoba? They put all that kind of stuff in there. We're just doing a basic one just for beginners and people who can't spend a lot of money. These were pretty cheap. These were like $1 each. This coconut oil I picked up from the supermarket for like $4. So it is pretty cheap, all under 20 bucks, and anyone could do it. Okay, so I'm going to cut open this shea butter. I'm going to stick it in just so I can get it to start melting. And then we're going to add some coconut oil. So I think we'll add like maybe 2-3 tablespoons of this, as you can see. So just boiling. So I'm going to mix this around and let it all melt together. I wouldn't recommend putting scents in. I don't really like scents. I have had coconut oil before that had like a essential oil put in it, and it just kind of ruined it for me. Like I couldn't use it. Okay, so that has fully melted for now. I'm just going to let it cool a little bit before I start to whip it and add the pigments in. And I've just got a small jar here, and then once we whip it up and we put the pigments in and pipe it in and whatnot, I've got some little embellishments just to glue on top. So don't go anywhere, stick around and wait for the next step. So we're going to turn this on and blend it up a bit. See how we go. Okay, so I've tried to mix this as much as I can. I'm going to take it over here where I've got 4 cups set up. I'm going to put the cream in here, the butter I should say, in each of these, and then we're going to mix the pigments in. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take each pigment. For the Galaxy, I have the pinky color, the purple, I have the blue, and then of course I have black. It is optional if you would like to put glitter in it, if you can find the cosmetic glitter, you know. I was almost going to add a bit of highlighter in here, but these already have a bit of a shimmer on it, so I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to add some of these in here. Okay, so the only thing I have is this Ziploc bag, the sandwich bag. So I've got it in a big mug, as you can see. And we're just going to kind of chuck these colours in. And, I mean, it's up to you how you do it. I mean, you can layer it, you can do it how you want. But I just thought, kind of give it that galaxy look. We'll see if we could just put them all in here and kind of swirl it around in a jar and see what happens. So, wish me luck, but here we go.